I'm going to do a demonstration right now of the West wireless system. What happens when too much dust gets into it? Does it false alarm? And then we're just going to basically put it through its paces and show you how it performs. For this example, we're just going to go through and we're going to set it up as an instant alarm. I'm going to make this a mobile unit so I can walk around with it. I have my perimeter set up, so let's go set up a couple of units and we can get this demonstration going. I would like to highlight to you that this is a pile of combustible material. In a construction environment, that's generally where you're going to find detection right above it. So we're going to go up here and we're going to turn this unit on and we're going to program it. What we're going to try to do is get it to false alarm by throwing some drywall dust into it, kicking up what you'd normally see in a construction environment that generally are going to be concerns for people using smoke detection, and just see how robust this really is. So here we go. That's a lot of dust. All right, I got another handful of dust and I'm just gonna throw it at the detector. Still no alarm. You can see the green light is blinking every 5 or 6 seconds, and that lets you know not only the unit's on, but it's also paired to a system. So everything's normal operation right now. We still haven't had a false alarm, and that's pretty caked with dust right now. So we're gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna blow some more dust at it, and then we're gonna clean it out, and I'm gonna throw some smoke at it and see how quickly it alarms. So at this point, with all of that drywall dust thrown and blown into the sensor itself, you're probably asking, does that sensor even work? Yes, it works. And the way that the dustproof sensor is designed, not only is there a filter inside that filters what's going through the sensor itself, it's dual optic. So essentially what it's doing is it's looking for a confirmation that what it sees is a dust particle instead of a smoke particle, and vice versa. So now that we've thrown all that at it, I'm gonna take a can of actual canned smoke, and this is what you would normally test a fire alarm system with, and we're gonna see how quickly it goes into an alarm. So it's muffled in the background. We have an alarm going off right now. You can see on the base station behind me. We'll come over here. With the canned smoke, we had an alarm report in on unit 202, which is what I addressed that one. And not only that, but back here we have a call point going off. So additionally, our audible alarm is also going off. Now remember, I put a muffler on here, so it's not as loud as it normally is. It's a 95 decibel horn strobe, so if you get these throughout a construction site, it's going to be pretty loud. Let's go silence this alarm. I hope that that's a good indication of how the dustproof smoke actually works. It didn't false alarm with all the drywall dust blown and thrown at it, and it still went into a smoke alarm when we blew the smoke at it. So I think that's a pretty good example of how that particular unit works on the West system. Thanks for watching.